This month is an amazing month to create your own account and join Norwex. You can start immediately and receive 35% off everything for yourself and earn 35% on everything that you sell. Wow, what an offer! You can receive free shopping sprees, amazing discounted upgrade packages, plus the sweet freedom and flexibility Norwex provides. Right now, the perks just keep adding up. You can shop at cost. You can pick up some gifts. You can stock your own home. You could sell to earn an income, whether you want to do it online or in person. And you can use Norwex's hosting program to give away a lot of free products. Norwex has 2 kit offers. The first option is a sample starter kit, which gives you a variety of samples for both cleaning and personal care. This would be an amazing kit for maybe someone who's very familiar with Norwex's products, owns some items that they already love, but would right away like to jump in and share Norwex with their friends and family and their circle of influence to start generating an income or teach people about the products that they love. Option number 2 is our standard starter kit. New consultants can earn this kit totally for free by either purchasing products for themselves or selling products to their friends and family. When you order $1,000 worth of product in 30 days or $2,000 worth of product in 90 days, this kit is totally yours for free. All you pay is the shipping. And while you are selling product, you are earning your 35% commission and generating an income. Now, if you do choose to go with kit number 1 and you do sell $1,000 worth of product in 30 days or $2,000 worth of product in 90 days, you guessed it. Norwex is going to send you the standard starter kit for free anyway. Wow, so generous. All right, so Norwex has a program called the Bright Start program that all new consultants qualify for, and it doesn't matter which kit you order. But when you submit $400 in retail sales in your first 15 days of business, they are going to give you a package of free product valued at over $150. There are also upgrade packages deeply discounted only for new consultants at the time of joining. Option number 1 is the skincare upgrade package. Option number 2 is a silver upgrade package. And once we move into option number 3, which is the gold, you'll notice that the retail value is greater than $400. So you guessed it. That Bright Start program that everybody can qualify for when they submit over $400 in their first 15 days of business. When you choose the upgrade package of gold, Norwex will automatically send you the Bright Start package for free right away. Be sure to ask your consultant for the link to Debbie's Zoom on Tuesday night so that you can register, attend, and join after the Zoom, and you will receive a $25 shopping spree. In fact, Norwex has a number of shopping sprees that they want to give you as a brand new consultant. This will give you an opportunity to bring these products into your home so you can try them, so that you can consult your friends and family about them. So let's do a recap of what's all involved. Number 1, let's choose your kit. You can earn the Bright Start program by getting $400 in sales in your first 15 days of business and receive a free package of product. Regardless of which kit you choose, you can receive the standard starter kit totally for free. And boy, does Norwex ever want to give you some shopping sprees. Attend the Zoom and join after and receive a $25 shopping spree. When new consultants sell or order $2,000 worth of product in their first 60 days of business, you will get a bonus $250 in shopping sprees added to your account. When you have a new team member who earns the Bright Start, you will get a $150 shopping spree. And when your new team member earns their standard starter kit, you will receive a $300 shopping spree. Oh my goodness, isn't that exceptional? Norwex is also going to set you up for success with an office suite, which is going to be your online store to share with your friends and family. So whether you want your own Norwex account for the fantastic discount, or whether you're looking for a way to generate an income, Norwex is the perfect fit for you. We are going to set you up with some fabulous training. You are going to feel like you know exactly how to set yourself up for success with products that belong in every home, with ingredients that you can proudly represent with a clean conscience. So as you choose to share Norwex, know that everyone that you educate, you will be radically improving their quality of life for many years to come.